Chapter 2, Units and Measurements. First question, what is a physical quantity? A quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly is called physical quantity. And second question, what is a unit of physical quantity? Unit is a standard quantity with which a physical quantity of the same kind is compared for measuring it. What are fundamental or basic units? In mechanics, there are three physical quantities, namely mass, length and time, which are called fundamental physical quantities. Fourth question, what are derived units? Any physical quantity which can be derived from the fundamental physical quantities by multiplying or dividing them is called derived physical quantity, and its unit is called derived units. Fifth question, give the basic units of length in CGS, MKS, FPS. So basic units in CGS, centimeter gram second, in MKS meter kilogram second, in FPS foot, then pound and second, in SI system meter kilogram second. Sixth question, given the base units of mass in CGS, MKS, FPS, SI system. In CGS mass is kg, gram. In CGS it is gram, in MKS it is kilogram, in FPS it is pound, in SI it is kilogram. How many base units are there in SI units? So we are having 7 base units. Name the SI unit of current, ampere, temperature, degree Celsius or Kelvin, amount of substance, mole, luminous intensity, candela. Name the SI unit of angle in a plane, that is radian. Name the SI unit of solid angle, that is steradian. Mention some direct method of measuring length. So we are going to measure length by using meter scale, by using screw gauge, by using vernier scale, by using spirometer. Name the method of measuring long distances. Parallax method. Yes, correct. What is parallax? The relative shift in the position of the object with respect to background is called parallax. Next, what is meant by parallactic angle? The angle subtended by the basis at the object is called parallactic angle. Express angstrom unit in meters. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Yes, correct. Next question. Name the larger units of length. The larger units of length is parsec. 1 parsec is equal to 3.1 into 10 to the power 16 meter. What is meant by light year? The distance travelled by light in vacuum in 1 year is called light year. Define unified atomic unit. Unified atomic unit is atomic mass unit is defined as 1 upon 12th the mass of the one carbon atom. Next, which is the instrument used to measure small masses like atom? Mass spectrograph. Mention the types of errors involved in measurements. So we are having so many errors in the measurement of while doing experiment. That is, first one, instrumental errors, personal errors and natural errors. Next question, what is meant by systematic error? So systematic error is the error which occurs according to a definite pattern. So what are random errors? So random error is maybe defined as random errors are due to unknown reasons and sometimes they are called chance errors. Next question, what is least count? The minimum distance or length measured by these instruments is known as least count. What is absolute error? So absolute error of a given value of a physical quantity is the difference between observed value under consideration and mean value of the physical quantity. Next question. How would you determine the true value of a quantity measured several times? Yes, we are going to take number of readings, then we are going to take mean, then we are going to get accurate true value. What is relative error? So relative error is maybe defined as the ratio of the mean absolute error to the true value of the physical quantity. Next question. Write the relation for relative error. Delta x is equal to delta x upon x. Write the expression for percentage error. Relative error into 100%. Define astronomical unit. The average distance between Earth and Sun is called astronomical unit. Define parsec. It is the distance at which an arc of length equal to 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second. 31 question. Express parsec in terms of light years. 1 parsec is equal to 3.28 light years. What are significant figures? Next question. 32nd question. What are significant figures? Significant figures are the number of digits up to which we are sure about their accuracy. Does the number of significant figures depends on the choice of unit? Answer is no. 36th question. Define dimension of a physical quantity. The dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers to which the fundamental quantities are to be raised to represent that physical quantity. Write the dimensions of work. M raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2. Define dimensional formula of a physical quantity. The expression which shows that which of the fundamental quantities and with what powers enter into the derived unit of a physical quantity. Next question. Write the dimension formula of volume, L raised to 3. Define dimensional equation. The equation obtained by equating the symbol of a physical quantity with its dimensional formula. Name a physical quantity which has no units, no dimensions. Stress and strain. 42 question. Name a physical quantity which has units but no dimensions. Angle. 43. Name a physical quantity which has neither unit nor dimension. Strain, stress. State the principle of homogeneity of dimensions. The dimensions of the fundamental quantities of two sides of a physical relation must be same.